Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Let us continue the lesson. A house is not a home. In our previous session, we came to know that the fireman saved writer's mother. After that, both writer and writer's mother, they sat dazed and they were watching house burned down and they could not do anything there. After that, the writer thought about his cat. He hadn't seen his cat and she was nowhere to be found. The cat was nowhere to be found. Then, at a time, the writer thought about his new school, the fire, and his cat, and he broke down in tears. He cried and cried. After that, the firemen not allowed them to enter into that burned house, so they had to leave that place. They moved to their grandparents' house to spend that night. Now let's continue the lesson. The next day, Monday, I went to school. When the fire broke out, I was still wearing the dress I had worn to church that morning, but I had no shoes. I had kicked them off when I was doing my homework. Next day, it was Monday, he went to school, writer went to school. When the fire broke out, he was still wearing the dress he had worn to church that morning. But he had no shoes. At present, he is wearing the previous day dress, but he doesn't have shoes. I had kicked them off when I was doing my homework. Previous day, he had kicked his shoe when he was doing his homework. They became yet another causality of fire. They became yet another causality. Causality means something that happens by chance or accident. Okay. His shoes were destroyed in accident or in that fire accident. So I had to borrow some tennis shoes from my aunt. He had to borrow some tennis shoes from his aunt. Why couldn't I just stay home from school? For a moment he thought, why should I go to school today? Why shouldn't I stay home from school? My mother wouldn't hear of it, but I was totally embarrassed by everything. But his mother was not ready to allow him to stay in the house. But the writer was totally embarrassed by everything. Embarrassed means feel awkward or ashamed. Was feeling awkward or ashamed. The clothes I was wearing looked weird. The cloth which he was wearing looked weird. Weird means strange, odd, or unusual. Okay. I had I had no books or homework, and my backpack was gone. He had no books, no homework, and his backpack means school bag was gone. It was destroyed. I had my life in that backpack. He had his life in that backpack. Means he had many precious things in that backpack, that was completely destroyed. The more I tried to fit in, the worse it got. He was trying to control himself. He was trying to be confident. But his condition was becoming worse. Was I destined to be an outcast and a geek all my life? And he asked a question to himself. Was I destined? Destined means predetermined or fate. Okay. Or decided future. Is it my fate to be an outcast? Outcast means a person who is rejected by society and social group. Outcast and geek all my life. Here, geek means boring person. In my fate, is it written like this? Am I going to be an outcast and geek forever? Am I not going to be the part of this society? Am I going to be person who is rejected by society or social group forever? Like this, he thought. That's what it felt like. He felt like that. I didn't want to grow up, change, or grew to handle life if it was going to be this way. He didn't want to grow up, he didn't want to change or to handle life if it was going to be this way. I just wanted to curl up and die. He wanted to end up his life. He wanted to die. If his life would continue in the same boring manner, he was about to end up his life. I walked around school like a zombie. Everything felt surreal, and I wasn't sure what was going to happen. All the security I had known from my old school, my friends, my house, and my cat had all been ripped away. I walked around school like a zombie. Zombie means dull and apathetic person. A dull and apathetic person, or partly alive man. Everything felt surreal. For him, everything seemed surreal, strange, or not real. And I wasn't sure what was going to happen. I did not know what would happen. All the security I had known from my old school, my friends, my house, and my cat had all been ripped away. His secured life was completely destroyed. Whatever things he had, they were ripped away. They were torn away or cut away from him. Means he lost all those things. The things like his old school, his friends, his house, his cat. When I walked through what used to be my house after school that day, I was shocked to see how much damage there was. Whatever hadn't burned was destroyed by water and chemicals that had used to put out the fire. After his school hour, he went to his burnt house and he was shocked to see how much damage was there. The things which were not burned or destroyed by the fire were destroyed by the water and chemicals they had used to put out the fire. In order to put out or to extinguish the fire, the fireman used water and chemicals. Many things were burned in the fire itself. Some things were left without burn, but those things were destroyed by fire and chemicals, which were used by the fireman in order to extinguish the fire. The only material things not destroyed were the photo albums, documents, and some other personal items that my mother had managed to heroically rescue. The only materials not destroyed were photo albums, documents, and some other personal items which were saved by his mother in a heroic manner. Okay. But my cat was gone and my heart ached for her. His cat was gone. He was worrying about that. There was no time to grieve. My mother rushed me out of the house. There was no time to grieve. Grieve means to mourn, to express sorrow. His mother came. She rushed him out of the house. You would have to find a place to live. They had to search new place to live, and I would have to go buy some clothes for school, and he would have to go buy some clothes for his school. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.